Konnichiwa. Alrighty. I think pretty tired from sleeping poorly last night. Had some good food, uploaded a video. So even though I'm almost out of food, I think I've got some taco pies and some chips and some canned fish. Despite that, I decided to spend the whole day chilling. Just take a nap, do some video editing, listen to an audiobook. Just a day of complete chill. And I think that's what I need right now. The sun's out, that's nice. It's really nice. So many Akias. This one on the right here. Completely overgrown. Completely falling apart. See if we can get this guy to crow again. He had a pretty funny crow. Very nice. The mountain. Uphill paddling, baby. No, thank you. The wind stopped. Maybe that place is just particularly windy back there. Whew, sure is hard to find a camping spot. I think we're at the top of the mountain. So far it's just like this the whole way up. Steep cliff. Guardrail. Story time. Sleeping in a hammock. Getting up in the middle of the night to go pee sucks. You have to unzip your sleeping bag, roll out of the hammock, put on your shoes, and find a spot to, walk off and go pee. And then get back in the hammock, you have to get back in the sleeping bag, and you have to pull it back up, and well, up there looks like a good spot to pee. You have to, oh yeah, that's the camping spot right back there. That's it. You have to go through some considerable effort to get the sleeping bag back into, like, around your shoulders, because it wants to slide down. Everything in the hammock wants to slide down to the center. Whatever insulation you have under you, in terms of like extra sweaters or an air mattress, that slides down. So anyway, getting up to pee from a hammock is considerable nuisance. And then you're quite awake by the time you're done, so it's hard to go back to sleep sometimes. So last night, I really didn't want to get out of the hammock. It was very cozy. So I tried peeing in a bottle strategy, which resulted in me peeing on myself. And then I dumped the bottle, what pee was in the bottle, out the side of the hammock, and realized I had dumped it on my shoes. So I woke up, I mean, the whole night I smelled like piss. I smelled like a crazy hobo. So the first thing I did in the morning in the 45-degree weather was I went down to the ocean and changed my clothing and took a bath in the ocean. So yeah, anyway, if anyone has figured out how to successfully pee in a hammock without getting out of the hammock, please let me know, because that would make my life so much better at the moment. I think I'm gonna go up there. It looks like there's a flat wooded area. Oh, yeah. Ohayou gozaimasu. Hello, doggo. Konnichiwa. Bunch of oysters. What? Wow. Whoa. Whoa. It's all fleshy. Oh, gross. Is that a blowfish? I don't think their spines are like permanently out like that. Damn, that's gnarly. What? What? This is not kosher. About 1 hour for the boat to arrive.
It's a cheese sauce. That tastes like a cross between bacon and ham. I know, yeah, this is potato, isn't it? What's that, carrot? Carrot? Tomato. Tastes like straight up canned tomato. So this is like inspired by pizza, and then the assignment of actually creating it and making it was given to some kind of schizophrenic druggie, and this is the result. It's actually not bad. Some kind of croquette. Very little flavor. Maybe like the ever so slightest potato salad flavor. Next item. Oh yeah. Yeah, delicious. Soy flavored crunchy rice crackers and peanuts. That's it. Fantastic. Premium Ebisu. Born in 1890 in Tokyo. Oh. Wow. That's dramatic. Tastes like a smooth Pilsner. I don't know. It's really light flavored. Really smooth. Say halfway between a Pilsner and a lager. Uy. Some little mangroves over there. Some little mangroves poking out of the water here too. That's pretty cool.